Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we'll be doing some my style steamed cabbage. For this you'll need half a cabbage chopped up like I'm doing here. Just chop it all up, and this is just my way of doing it, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Just chop all your cabbage up like I'm doing. I've separated the hard middle bit because I don't like it. It's a bit hard and don't really cook it. I just put it in the bin, but it's up to you. Then as you see here, I've put it in a pan or a dish, whatever you want to put it in, and just separate it nicely. Then I've got half of onion, a garlic, I've got a bit of thyme, I've got half a tablespoon of all-purpose season, and I've got some garlic granules as well. Here I'm chopping my onions up, making it all ready. So there I've got my thyme, a bit of all-purpose season and a bit of garlic granules all ready. I will now crush my garlic, making it ready to use. So the garlic's all crushed and ready. I like to crush my garlic because it's better. I think I get more flavor from it. So I've got that all together to one side, and then I will have washed my cabbage and it's all ready. So I'll put my cabbage in my pot without oil or without nothing in it. Just pour my cabbage in, and then I'll put all my season, and now I'll add a cup of cold water, and I'll just leave it to cook. So I'll just keep turning it. Can you see the water's there? So I'll put the water in, leave it to steam. I'll now add a tablespoon of margarine or butter, whatever you want. I add a tablespoon of butter, and that's it. I'll just leave it now to cook down, cook it away. You can add a bit of salt if you want. If you don't like salt, just leave it as it is. And then I like to add a bit of ketchup because it gives it a bit of a color. I like a nice little color to it. You'll see that rich color that it gives a bit later on. And now I'll just cover it and leave it to simmer, and it will just cook down. I'm just making sure it's nicely stirred in together. There you go. I love to have steamed cabbage actually. I enjoy steamed cabbage with rice, or steamed cabbage with fried dumpling. This one I'll serve with fried dumpling. Here you see my steamed cabbage. My water is all dried out. It's nearly there. It should take about 20-25 minutes to cook. Just make sure you don't leave the cooker on high. Here's my finished dish. My breakfast is all ready.